Hello students, this is Swati Deshpande teacher. Today we will be taking the continuation of my first part where I had taken the chapter code. Students, in case you have not seen that video, then I am putting the link in the description box. Please check it after this video so that you will understand the code even much better. Okay. So today we will be taking sub-chapter 4 and 5, okay, that is digits for digits and symbols for digits, okay. So first question, right away we will solve the questions because you know what is code. I have given everything in the first video, so you should watch that, okay. So students, we will start with the actual questions right away. So first question will appear on your screen. Read that carefully, okay? What have they given us? They have given this. 289 is equal to 222433. See here there are digits and code language में भी digits ही है. पहले 3 थे, 3 digits. Now we have 6 digits. So there is a probability that or possibility that for each digit they have used 2 digits in the code language. 2 and here 1 2. So how must have they converted this 2 into this 1 2? There has to be something, right? So what is that something? That we need to find out. See, 2 है इधर 1 and 2 है. So maybe it is into. Let's see for 8. It is 2 and 4. Here again into से होता है. 2 into 4 is 8. Yes, अभी तक तो चल रहा है. अच्छा, 9, 3 and 3 into, yes, it is the code language. So how are they converting this original thing into the code? By multiplying two numbers, right? So they are telling us to find out 846. And what options have they given? 2 4 2 2 3 3. ये first option. Second, 4 4 2 2 4 4 2 2 4 2. Third option, 2 4 2 2 3 2. And fourth option, 4 2 4 2 2 3. Am I right? So now we need to check. पहले दो के बीच में इंटू डालना है. 2 into 4 ये 8. Yes, मिल रहा है. अभी तक तो ठीक है. 2 into 2 4. Yes, अभी भी ठीक है. 3 into 3 9. No, here something has gone wrong. I have seen students making a silly mistake. 3 into 3 6 कर देते हैं and they choose first option without checking other 3 options. Don't ever make that mistake. 3 into 3 करना है, 3 plus 3 नहीं. Please be careful. See, I know you all know 3 into 3 is 9 and 3 plus 3 is 6. You know that. Sometimes in that pressure of examination, these types of silly mistakes happen. So we should try to avoid them as much as we can. Isn't it? Okay. चलो आगे. अभी 2 into 4 ये देखते हैं पहले. 2 into 4 8. See how to save time. I have jumped to this third because ये तो मिला है ना मुझे. So I'll make use of that first. 2 into 2 4 ये भी तो मिला था. So that's why I'm trying this third option. 3 into 2 6. Yes. So why will I waste time seeing this second option, isn't it? So these quick decisions you should take. Don't worry. As you practice, you all will know this automatically. You need not worry about that. Okay, मुझे कब कैसे आएगा at the time of examination? It will come. Don't worry. Okay. Let's take the next example. It will appear on your screen again. What have they given? 93 is, they are just saying it is 3, not 93. Code language. 42 as 2. 255 as 5. Okay. So 644 is what? Now 93 से 3 कैसे मिला होगा? डिवाइड डालेंगे ना. 9 माइनस 3 तो नहीं हो सकता, 9 प्लस 3 तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं हो सकता. सो 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 करेंगे. 3 आ रहा है, अभी तक तो आ रहा है. लेट्स ट्राई फॉर नेक्स्ट वन. 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज अगेन 2. यस. नाउ 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 55 नहीं कर सकती मैं, बिकॉज 2 इज स्मॉल. सो 25 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 करेंगे. यस, आ रहा है. So it has to be in the same way. 64 divided by 4, that is 16. Answer has to be 16. How interesting, isn't it? It's simple as that. Second standard division, isn't it? Let's go to the next one. Read the question properly. That is the main part. What have they given us? 43 as 64. 34 as 81. 53 as 125. Then how will you write 19? Oh my God, isn't it so confusing? But when we will solve, you will know it is not at all difficult. Observe the numbers. 43 से 64 कैसे मिलेगा? 4 into 3 करेंगे तो भी we reach up to 12. 64 is much more. When it is much more, you have to take help of squares, cubes, and so on. Okay, so देखते हैं. 4 multiplied 3 times. What does it mean? 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. 4 into 4 16. 16 into 4 is 64. 3 multiplied 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 81. Immediately नहीं पता चलता है तो दो दो का ग्रुप करो. 9 9 उसको इंटू करो. 9 into 9 81. 5 taken 3 times. 5 का क्यूब is 125. So I have to take now 19 times. 1000 बार भी लेंगे और इंटू करेंगे तो आंसर कितना आने वाला है? You need not write this and waste time in the examination. We are doing practice right now, so we are trying to be little more systematic. Okay, when you do this practice in a systematic way, at the time of examination you will definitely save time. Okay, so 1 multiplied 9 times. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 कितनी बार भी करोगे आंसर तो 1 ही आने वाला है. So our answer is 1. इतना सब करके अपना आंसर क्या आया? 1. Okay, isn't it interesting, students? Next question. Okay, students, what have they given us? 42 is 4, 63 is 9, 71 is 36. So they are telling us to find out what is the code for 90. Now student, whatever information has been provided to you, that is sufficient for you to arrive at the answer. I keep on telling you this, correct? You must be bored by now. So many times I have already told you. Here also I am telling the same thing. Make use of this. 42 से 4 कैसा मिला? There has to be something. 4 minus 2 करेंगे तो भी 2 आता है. 4 plus 2 करेंगे तो भी 6 आता है. 4 into 2 करेंगे तो 8 आता है. So कैसे, क्या है ये? It should be same. 6 into 3 18 आ रहा है, 7 into 1 7 आ रहा है, उससे 36 कैसे मिला? There has to be something. What is that something? Is 2 marks in the examination. Okay, see, they are not going to trouble you. They means the examiners. Okay, they just want to test your intelligence. How do you apply? See student, माइनस करेंगे, कितना आ रहा है? 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 का स्क्वायर is 4. 6 minus 3 is how much? 3. 3 का स्क्वायर is how much? 9. 7 minus 1 is how much? 6. 6 का स्क्वायर is 36. What have they done? They have subtracted this smaller one from this bigger one. Basically they have done the subtraction. और जो आंसर आ रहा है उसका स्क्वायर they have given here as a code. Not necessarily always multiplication, subtraction directly will be the code. Sometimes they will do subtraction, addition, उसका square will be the code. See, every time the code, so code has to be different, otherwise everybody will know. It's a puzzle, a sort of a puzzle. So every puzzle has to be different, right? So they will try more and more tricks to puzzle you, to confuse you. Don't be confused. Give some time. Okay? So here in the same way we have to do 9 minus 0. How much? 9. So 9 will be one of the answer. I mean option. Don't choose that because we need to, our coding is not yet over. We need to do square of 9, that is 81. So 81 is the correct answer. Isn't it interesting, students? Okay, if you find it interesting, give me your comments. Don't forget to comment. Okay. One more example will come on your screen. Read that sum properly. One is called 5, 3 is called 7, 4 is called 9. वो कुछ भी बोलेंगे, उनकी मर्जी. कोड लैंग्वेज तो उनका है, isn't it? We cannot have any objection. And they are telling us to do this. What they are saying? Plus, इधर plus है ना? Okay. इसकी value. Now students, they are calling 1 as 5 in their code language, 3 as 7, 4 as 9 and 2 as 6. What does it mean? Whenever there is in reality 1, we are not supposed to use that 1. We must replace that 1 with 5. If there is 3, then we must erase that and put 7, like that. So they want us to calculate this, but this is actual. So first convert that into their code language or code values. 1 को क्या बोलते हैं वो? 5. 2 को 6. This should remain the same. Operations in 2 plus जो कुछ भी है you copy as it is. 3 is 7. Students, BODMAS, whenever multiple operations are involved, you must use BODMAS rule. So here luckily into is first, but in sometimes plus is here and into is here. Into means multiplication. Into has to be done first. Okay. So इधर तो पहला ही है तो टेंशन ही नहीं है. So 30 and then we should add this 7. So 37 is our final answer. Okay students. Now we'll go ahead with symbols for digits. Last subtopic of code. Okay. The question will appear on your screen. What have they given? means divided by 7. Likewise 14, this and this is equal to 10, right? Now 3, this and this is equal to 13. 42, this and this equal to what? This question had come in 2018, so we cannot ignore the possibility of similar question in coming years. Okay, let's go ahead. Now this is given. ये symbol जब दिखेगा that means divided by 7. So we'll first replace this. I am concentrating only on this first. So 14 divided by 7 and this same here is equal to 10. Only इसके in place of this I have written divided by 7. So इसका value 2 and this is equal to 10. Since they have used division, I will assume अभी multiplication. इसका meaning multiplied by something होगा. 2 into what will give me 10? 2 into 5 will give me 10. Not necessarily I am right. It may be plus 8 also. This इसका value plus 8 भी हो सकता है. But first I will try with into 5. So this must be into 5. This is my assumption. Students, I am also assuming. Okay. So 14 divided by 7, that is 2, into 5, 10. Okay. So इसका मतलब into 10 है. Now I am doing this. 3 into 5 and then this. अभी इसका meaning find out करना है. 30. 3 into 5 is 15. Now this is equal to 13. So obviously this must be minus 2, isn't it? तभी मुझे 13 मिलेगा. So this is minus 2. So इसके हेल्प से और इसके हेल्प से मैंने इसका वैल्यू निकाला. Once I know this value, I use this here and found out the value of this. This way slowly I am going ahead. Now I am final answer I am trying to find out. पहले लिख लेती हूँ इधर. So you will know. इसका वैल्यू क्या है? Divided by 7. 42 divided by 7. इसका वैल्यू minus 2. Again BODMAS. First this 6 and then minus 2. 4. 4 is my final answer. Very interesting sum. The sum was already asked in 2018. Next sum will appear on your screen. Observe the sum properly. Very interesting sum. You all know it. It is not at all difficult. I am writing whatever they have given us. Okay. Here we need to know the options. पहला ऑप्शन क्या है? 747. दूसरा है 363. Third one is 327. Fourth one is 525. Observe the numbers. 2 symbols, 2 numbers. Then first circle must be this one. This colored circle must be 1. This must be 3. This must be 9. This must be 6 or 63 and this must be 6. But 63 and 6 are not related to each other in any way. So we will see, we will leave 6 here and 36 here. Yes, 636 का कुछ तो relation है. So we will divide like this, 636. So this blank वाला triangle is 6, colored वाला triangle is 36. Now you will know. I am sure most of you must have already observed what it is. 1 है, 1 का square 3, 3 का square 6, 6 का square. So what does it mean? Here one mistake, huh, students? Here it is colored. Okay. So first number and uska square, that is a pair. From the option we need to find out first number and its square. So obviously option is this, because 5 and 25. You do not find any pair like that here in first three. 5 and 25, yes, 5 ka square is 25. So fourth option has to be the correct option. Okay. Next one. Read the question properly. What have they given us? 9 is equal to box, I mean square. 6 is equal to triangle. 3 is equal to circle. What are they telling us to find out? Is equal to what? Okay. First job is to replace the symbols by numbers. Triangle क्या है? 6 minus 9 divided by 3 is equal to what? Students, please be careful. You have to apply BODMAS because multiple operations are there. BODMAS rule अगर पता नहीं है तो let me know in the comment box. I will explain to you the rules of BODMAS. Okay, very important. It is not useful here in code. In many chapters BODMAS is needed. Okay, so you must know. पहले ये होगा, even though it is last. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So अभी ये होगा. So answer is 3. अगर 3 नहीं है, then you have to choose circle. If the options are given in the form of a symbols, then circle, otherwise 3. Normally they will give you in numbers only, digits only, options. Okay. Next question, very interesting one, will appear on your screen. Read it very carefully. Okay, I have just written whatever has been provided to us. Whatever information has been given to us, I have just written on the board. See student, in my earlier video also I had told you, you need to find out the common. When 3 things are given, normally we need to find out the common. Procedure same for letters, for symbols, for digits. Procedure is exactly same. Students, you have to apply the same method. You need not worry whether it is digits and symbols or letters and digits. Don't worry about that. Okay? You understand the method and apply it wherever it is. Whatever they have asked, you apply the same thing. Okay? So let's go ahead. इसमें common क्या है? 2. Triangle. 3. Square. So 3 must be equal to square. इधर अभी एक ही बचा है तो एक must be circle. इधर क्या है? 6, 6, 6 and this. So 6 must be this. Okay. 5 अकेला है तो 5 must be this. फटाफट फाइंड आउट करना है, not to waste time. अभी 9, 5, 3, 6. Now job is very easy. Anybody can do. Intelligence is here. Okay. This is just copying, isn't it? Again, this is the correct option or answer, but the same order may not be there in the options. Then you need to choose ये 4 symbol जिसमें है वो option लेना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, See students, I have written whatever has been given to us in the question. See, 5, 6, 7 is this, 1, 2, 3 is this. Only 2 things are given, not 3. Normally 3 जब देते हैं तब हम लोग common निकालते हैं. Here only 2 things are given. So, this is the simplest form. First one is plus, 5 is plus, 6 is minus, 7 is into. That is multiplication. Okay, it is as simple as that. Now 6 क्या है? Middle वाला. So minus. 2 is here middle वाला. So this. 3 is circle. 5 is plus. This is as simple as that. Last question of today's chapter. So simple. Was the simplest one. See, only 2 things are given. So order is same. So you have to see 6 कौन सा है. Like that you have to convert. Simple, isn't it? Okay students. With this we are through with this chapter. Code. Okay. Code I have taught in 2 videos. Okay. Because it is a big chapter and very interesting and important chapter. Because 100% question will be there on code. So we cannot afford to ignore this chapter at all. We cannot afford to ignore any chapter in scholarship, right? Okay students, if you like my videos, then don't forget to share with more and more friends and interested students, okay? Because I want to reach out to more and more students who are interested like you, okay? And yes, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Okay students, study well and most importantly, enjoy studying. Bye bye.